In the dim shrine, fear is a question. This is yoga, not spectacle. Shiva watches, patient and intimate. Shiva is not escape, it is return. The Mahamrityunjaya practice asks for a fearless heart, not fearless by denial, but fearless by acceptance. Breathe with awareness and listen to impermanence. We begin where most end, at the breath. The inhale gathers courage, the exhale lets go. Shiva, as witness, holds the room in stillness. One receives a larger field of becoming. The body is a temple, the fear a guest. The practice is a ritual of saying yes. A fearless heart is not empty of fear. It is clear-sighted, awake to the edge. Mahamrityunjaya is heard as a medicine, not a shield. 1,000 endings meet a single breath. We imagine death as guest, not jailer. We imagine life as an ongoing offering. Visualization. The dark dissolves into light. The mantra becomes a map, not a claim. Through the chant of silence, truth returns. It teaches how the breath becomes bedrock, not conquering death, but inviting death to partner. Tantric lens sees fear as energy to refashion. The fear becomes the furnace of awareness. Each exhale loosens grip on illusion. Each inhale invites the unknown to speak. The heart steadies when the mind surrenders. In that surrender, compassion arises for all beings. Shiva, the cosmic surgeon, trims the ego. The practitioner learns to sit with suffering. Death is not annihilation, but a doorway. Fearlessness is choosing presence over repetition. The breath goes deeper, like dusk into night. The body opens as a receptive instrument. Tantras whisper, witness, neither feed nor fight. The senses become a temple orchestra. Tanpura hums, conch sighs, bells mark time. Harmonium and santoor carry the flame forward. Fear is not banished, it is observed. Witnessing transforms fear into awakened intention. A fearless heart keeps moral vigil for others. The Mahamrityunjaya rite is a gesture of mercy. We offer the body as vessel for healing. We offer intention as seed for collective healing. The healer within becomes a steady light. We do not escape vulnerability, we refine it. Through devotion, fear loosens its grip. Grace arrives as patient breath and quiet resolve. The fearless heart is not loud, it endures. It holds others in the light of presence. It pronounces mercy toward fear, toward all beings. If this practice becomes first aid for the soul, if this rite becomes a doorway to service, if the fear remains, we do not abandon it. We learn to walk with it, through it. The Life Saga within asks you to discover yourself. The rest is grace, waiting in the next inhale. The path is yours to inhabit, not borrow. The heart becomes a lamp for those who follow. Mahamrityunjaya is a practice, not a conquest. Fearless is choosing to stay, to listen, to act. We end as we began. In reverent stillness, the fire within remains, a steady glow. We carry the mantra as a living breath, and we return to the self, finally free. The temple is the body,